Amazon is removing all meltable inventory stored or arriving from April 15th to October 15th. They will charge you a fee for that disposal unless you remove it prior to that date. You can still fulfill these products yourself with your listing, but it must be fulfilled by the seller. So in this video, we're just going to go over the policy and some of the meltable products to be concerned about. So here's the policy. Request to remove meltable FBA inventory by April 15th, 2025. To meet product quality standards, we won't accept meltable inventory at our fulfillment centers between April 15, 2025 and October 15, 2025. Meltable inventory refers to all heat-sensitive products that melt during prolonged exposure to temperatures of 155 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. This includes, but is not limited to, chocolate, gummies, and select jelly and wax-based products. Okay. So going more in depth about this policy, they will only fulfill meltable products from October 16th to April 14th. And I think it's mostly just because like it's hot outside, so it's harder to maintain temperatures, which probably increases their costs. So they're trying to save some money by not having to be the one responsible for having refrigerated products or cooled products. It doesn't necessarily have to be refrigerated, but they actually mark products meltable or not meltable. And if you think your product isn't meltable, you can actually submit documentation to selling partner support. And on that document, you will need these specific pieces of information: the specific ASIN, explicit confirmation that the ASIN can be stored at maximum of 155 degrees for extended periods of time. So the only way you can really get that is from your manufacturer. They probably have some documentation that states all of these thermal regulations of your product, and the temperature at which the ASIN loses its integrity. So if it's not 155, maybe it's like, I don't know, 175 or something like that. And of course, a point of contact for verification, which I believe, but I'm not 100% sure, is actually a point of contact from the manufacturer, not you. Now to just go over some products that this may apply to. But by the way, before we get into that, we do cover the latest news for Amazon sellers all the time on this channel. So you guys are informed of what to do, what changes Amazon is making, so you can always improve your brand or not get in trouble from Amazon. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe. So this is a short list of products to be concerned about, but by no means is it exhaustive. And you should definitely do your own due diligence to determine if your product falls into the meltable category or not. So some common products that sellers sell on Amazon are food and snacks. So think chocolate bars, truffles, chocolate covered snacks, gummies, and gummies can also include, of course, gummy bears, but also a lot of vitamins fall under the gummies category. And of course, candy. Think about caramel, toffee and fudge, chewing gum, frosting or icing products, especially if they do contain butter or cream, because that tends to be lower melting temperatures. If you're in the health and personal care department, then consider gel capsules or soft gels for like things like omega-3 fish oils, vitamin C, CBD soft gels, if you can sell those, probiotic gummies or chewables, wax-based dental products, wax-based anything really, and some cosmetic creams, balms, or ointments. If you're in like home and lifestyle, think like wax candles, especially if you use soy or beeswax, any aromatherapy products that are based on waxes, crayons, wax art supplies, lip balms, and salves that use beeswax or similar ingredients. And if you're in like beauty products, think like lipsticks, lip balms, lip glosses, solid perfumes or lotion bars, potentially soap. That might actually fall into the health and wellness category, but nonetheless, soap bars can potentially melt. Cream-based makeup, so concealer sticks and cream eyeshadows. Natural deodorants, especially in stick forms, but a lot of natural ingredients in general in any category tend to have a pretty low melting point. So make sure you check that, because if you guys don't remove all this before April 15th, not only are they going to simply destroy your inventory, they're also going to charge you for it. The cost that you pay is the loss in inventory plus the fee they charge you. And it's a pretty expensive fee, guys. It's not cheap. It depends on how big your product is and what they're exactly getting rid of. Obviously, if it's a difficult thing to get rid of, then it's going to be even more expensive. So some things to look out for. Make sure you do your due diligence and make sure you remove your inventory if it's already in there. And if you're getting some orders coming in that time period, make sure that you change where they go to your own location. And as for alternative shipping methods for your products, Amazon does actually provide guidelines for shipping methods. Now I can link this in the description below, so you can have a quick link to what will take you there. You know, they talk about like packaging, coolants, and what kind of carriers you should use, but I will let you guys kind of research that and take care of that for yourself, for your product. But that's it for this video. Obviously, we always take care of our sellers regarding the latest news, but our main thing is PPC. We've helped so many businesses scale their PPC and brand from 7 figures to 8 figures, or from 6 figures to 7 figures. And before you work with us, you might want some free information on how to really improve your PPC, and you can get that like this. If you want to learn more on how you can optimize Amazon PPC, you can get a free copy of our ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Amazon Ads, Advanced Tactics and Best Practices. This book has received a 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Amazon and has helped beginners and advanced sellers alike. Click the link in the description below to sign up to our emailing list and receive a free copy. If you're an Amazon seller that wants to grow your Amazon profits, schedule a discovery call in the link below. We are an Amazon agency that helps our clients grow their revenue and their profits and optimize their PPC. Cool. Until next time, happy selling.